In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a background on Squarespace. Getting the right look for your website is crucial for making a lasting impression on your visitors. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps of setting a background on your Squarespace site. Whether you're sprucing up your existing site or crafting a new one from scratch, these steps will help you make your website visually stunning. First things first, let's head over to Squarespace. You'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Squarespace homepage. This is where your journey to revamping your site begins. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice the login button. Click on it to proceed. Squarespace offers a couple of ways to log in, but for the sake of simplicity and speed, let's use the Continue with Google option. This is especially handy if you already use Google services for your business or personal projects. After clicking Continue with Google, a list of your Google accounts will appear. Select the account you want to use for Squarespace, ideally the one already associated with your site. Once you've done that, you'll find yourself on your Squarespace dashboard, which is essentially your control room for everything related to your website. Now, click on the website you wish to work on from your Squarespace dashboard. This step is particularly exciting because you're getting close to injecting your personal touch into your site. From here, we'll dive into the editing mode. You might be redirected to a general overview of your site. Look for an edit icon or a link that says Edit. This could be represented in different ways depending on your site's design and the Squarespace version you're using. If in doubt, there's always a help option or tooltip to guide you to the right place. Once in edit mode, you're ready to start the real work. Navigate to the section you want to change the background for. You'll see options related to that section, among them an option to edit section. Go ahead and click that. It's time to bring your vision to life. Upon opening the section settings, look for the background option. This is where the magic happens. Upon clicking background, you'll see various options to customize your site's backdrop. For now, we're focusing on setting an image as a background, so click on the image option. This is where your creativity comes into play. You'll be presented with options to choose a photo for your background. You can select from images you've already uploaded to Squarespace, or you might opt to upload a new one. Choose a photo that matches the theme and vibe of your website, whether it's a calming landscape, an abstract piece, or a pattern that speaks to your brand identity. Select an image that fits your vision. Now, after selecting your perfect photo, the very last step is to click Save. This will apply the image as the background to the chosen section of your site. And just like that, you've successfully set a background image on your Squarespace site. Let's recap what we did. We logged into Squarespace, selected our site, dove into the editing mode, navigated to the specific section we wanted to customize, and set an image as our background. Finally, we saved our changes to make everything go live. Revamping your website with a new background image is a straightforward way to refresh its look and feel. Remember, the background of your site plays a significant role in its overall aesthetic and can greatly affect how visitors perceive your brand or message. Experiment with different images to see what works best for your site. Keep in mind the loading times. High resolution images can make your website pop, but make sure they're optimized for web use to keep your site speedy and user friendly. And that's it for today's tutorial on setting a background image on your Squarespace site. Whether you're updating your site for a season, a special event, or just because changing the background is an easy yet effective way to make a significant impact. Go ahead, give your website the makeover it deserves. Thank you for following along, and don't hesitate to rewind this video if you need to review any steps. Happy designing!